Hello guys, so there is this new Solana-based DePIN airdrop or project that I would like you guys to check out. The name is Mawari. It looks good, it looks simple, it looks promising, and that's why I will encourage you guys to check it out. So what you're going to do is to click on the link, the referral link in the description of the video, and it will bring you here. Then you sign in with any of your EVM wallets. I clicked on someone's referral link and I'm here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on sign in now and I'll be selecting my MetaMask. I'll click on MetaMask. So I'll have to click on connect now. It says sign to verify. So I'll wait for it to pop up. So I'll confirm. I'll have to click on confirm. Successfully connected with MetaMask. So you can see my wallet address here and they've given me XR credits, 10 XR credits. So this is what they do. When you refer someone, you receive 5 XR credits and the person you refer will also receive 5 XR credits. Okay, let's take a look at it. If you click on referral here, you see it. You can copy your referral link here. Once you click on copy link, you see share link, copy it to your clipboard. So you can start sharing this link to your friends to join with your referral link. You get 5 XR credits for each friend you refer, and then you also get 5 XR credits for your friends who signs up. So that is that for the referral. So for the activities, you see the activities here. The first activity is to follow Mawari on X. The second one is to join Mawari Discord server. The third one is to join their Telegram group. And the last one is to claim XR chip. Unfortunately, this particular task, which would have given us 10 XR credits, have ended. So the moment you click on this step 4, claim your XR chip, is going to bring you right here to tell you that it's over. XR chip claim period is over. The XR chip claiming window has officially expired, but the portal remains open. Continue participating in new activities, collect XR credits, and prepare for the next phase of Mawari's partial era. This form is no longer accepting responses. You can see it here, continue participating in new activities. That's to tell you that they will be rolling out more activities to help you maximize your credits, as the case may be. But the most important thing is that we still have few tasks here which we are supposed to perform to earn some XR credits. Each of these tasks will give us 10 XR credits. And I believe that as time goes on, they will be rolling out more and more and more tasks that will enable you to earn more XR credits. Let's click on this, follow Mawari on X. So it just popped up on my X. So I'm going to click on follow Mawari XR. Then I'll go back and click on verify in order to receive my credits. I just clicked on verify. You can see I've been able to receive my credits. I now have 20 XR credits. So join the Mawari Discord server. I'm going to click on join the server. So I'm going to click on accept invite. So I'm now on their Discord. Welcome to Mawari. What language do you speak? I'll select English and I'll click on finish. So you can see that I'm here. You can decide to click on verify here and verify your account with Mawari. I'll click on start verification. It says verify yourself to get access to the server. Please select the blue car on the menu below. I'll select the blue car. You can see the blue car, which is option 1. I'll select it. You can see verify successfully. You are verified. All right, I've been verified already. So I'll go back to Mawari to also click on verify in order to receive my XR credit. So you can see that my XR credits has increased to 30. Last one here is join our Telegram. I'll click on let's go. It says view in Telegram. I'll select view in Telegram. Back to Mawari and click on verify. Let's see what it brings out. Yeah, it has gone through. That is that for the task we have here. They also have Galaxy task that you're also supposed to perform to maximize your X credit points. I'll be leaving the link to the Galaxy task in the description of the video as well, so you can click and perform the task. I've been having issue with my Galaxy account, so I would have loved to also perform the task in this video. so we can just do everything at the same time. But once I'm able to resolve the issue, I will do a follow-up video on how to perform some of the tasks on Gazi. But it's not difficult. It's just the same thing we did here by following some of the accounts on X and joining this and that. So the same similar pattern. So it's not something that will be difficult for you to do. So it's equally good that we break it down like this. This is the first video, and then I do a follow-up video so that this video will not be long. All right, we also have something here, leaderboard. You can click on leaderboard to see your ranking and to see your XR credits and to see some of those activities that you performed that give you the XR credit points. So that is that for Mawari. While we wait for them to update their sites with more tasks for their users, I will encourage you to join and perform the ones we have here before they expire. You can see that we already have one of the tasks here that have expired. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe so you can become part of us. I wish you the best of luck. We'll keep pushing, we'll keep trying until we succeed. Good luck and bye for now.